Use of OER should be accompanied by great responsibility in the real world. First and foremost, always check the license before using any OER. Don't just assume something is free to use because it's online. Look for the license information, which is usually found in the footer of a website or in the description section of a digital file. Once you've found the license, make sure you understand the terms. If you're unsure about anything, err on the side of caution and choose a different resource or contact the creator for clarification. To stay organized and avoid any accidental copyright infringement, I recommend using the TASL method when using OER. TASL stands for Title, Author, Source, License. By following the TSL method, you'll have all the necessary information readily available, making it easy to properly attribute the creators and ensure you're using the materials legally. Let's bring this all together with some real-world examples of how different people can use OER effectively and ethically. Imagine you're a teacher. You find an amazing CC by SA lesson plan online about photosynthesis. You love the interactive activities but want to adapt them slightly to fit your curriculum and grade level. Because it's licensed under CC by SA, you're free to do so. You make the changes, give credit to the original creator, and share your remixed lesson plan with your colleagues under the same CC by SA license. Now imagine you're part of a training team at a company. You're creating a presentation on teamwork and need some engaging visuals. You find a set of illustrations you love on a website that offers them under a CC by license. Perfect. You can use those illustrations in your presentation, even for this internal training, as long as you provide attribution to the original creator. These are just a few examples of how Creative Commons licensing empowers everyone, educators, businesses, students, to use, adapt, and share knowledge and creativity in a way that benefits everyone. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that understanding OER licenses isn't just about avoiding lawsuits or being a stickler for the rules. It's about doing things the right way, respecting the hard work of creators, and contributing to a more open and equitable educational landscape. When you use OER responsibly, you're not just borrowing resources, you're becoming part of a movement that believes in breaking down barriers to education, fostering collaboration, and empowering everyone to reach their full potential. So go forth and create amazing things with the power of OER. Remix, adapt, share your work with the world. Remember, knowing how to navigate the world of Creative Commons is like having a superpower. It unlocks a universe of resources you can use to take your work to the next level, all while staying on the right side of the law. Which best practice associated with use of OER do you find most challenging to adhere to? Why? Post your response in the comments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.